Office 365 users, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to be looking at the responses and data from the quiz that I generated earlier. And so I'm here again in this quiz, and if I click here across the top to the responses tab, I can see that 12 people have taken my quiz and that the average score was 2.8 and that it's still accepting responses. And so on this responses dashboard, if I scroll down, I can see charts and graphs depicting the answers that my students gave and get an overall picture of how my class is doing on any given question. And so you can see here this first question, 33% of my respondents answered correctly. Here, 67%. And on the third question, 70%. And then I can drill down by scrolling back up here to the top and clicking to review answers. And so I can look at what individual students or respondents turned in on this quiz. Thank you to the Rockwell Board Office staff who helped me out with this quiz and submitted responses so I could make this video. So Jess here answered the first two questions incorrectly, and you can see that it auto-graded those. But if I went back and decided that I was going to accept one of these answers, you'll note that I can change how many points are being awarded. And then here on this last one, she got this one correct. Please notice that on each of the questions, I have a little comment box here, and I can give Jess specific feedback on her work for an individual question. Or up here at the top, I again have a little comment box, and I can give Jess overall feedback on her responses. If you click on the three dots here in this box for more options, you can delete Jess's responses, you can print her responses, or you can post her score. And when you post her score, it means that if she takes the link again to the quiz, she'll be able to see her feedback and see how many points she earned and what she got right and wrong on the quiz. I'm going to show you one where we need to assign points. I noticed here when Scott took the quiz that he got one of the events in the correct order down here at the bottom, but not the other two. And so you can see that I can put 1 point in, since he marked that breakfast would come first, and then hit enter so that he gets one of the 3 points possible for that question. As I'm moving through the questions, up here at the top, you'll notice that I can sift through respondents simply by clicking on the right and left arrows that are here next to their name, and then quickly going through, seeing whose grades need to be updated before going back here and clicking to post their scores. So if I do click to post scores, I get to decide who can see their scores up to this point and who can't by selecting individual people. Or if I'm ready for everyone to see their scores, if I click in the top box up here, it selects everyone, and then in the top right, I can click to post scores. Still in this menu, I can select to preview someone's feedback, which allows me to see what the student will see when they use the original quiz link to log back in and look at their score and their individual responses to these quiz questions. And then if I click back, I'm here again, ready to post scores if I select my students. And here in the top right, click to post their scores. As always, if you need additional assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.